Well, hello. How's it going, everybody? It is I, Scott B. Adrian. For those of you who have come and gone, I mourn the loss of your eyes watching me. But to those who are coming in as I speak now, welcome! I know what you want. You want WordPress video game programming, right? Is that what you want? Here we go. Here it is, the video game in question. This is Orbem Explore. I can transport. I can get shot by a picture. And he can destroy my game because there's bugs. Alright. Let's get this ball rolling. Whoops. I forgot to turn on the screen on the other one. There I am. Welcome to the stream. I really should put this text higher. But I can't really... If I go down on me and up with the text, that's kind of messed up. Whoa, 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 whoa. And the text... Maybe, can I make the text have like a black background maybe? Maybe. Let's see what I can do. Color. Drop shadow? Drop shadow kind of works. Outline. Well, at least it's very visible now. But can't you chat log lines? I don't know what that is. Chat log mode? But here we go, we got effects. No, it's just kind of text. Acumen Pro. I don't think it really does anything. Yeah, I wish you could do like a control the drop shadow, you know what I mean? I don't know. Okay. That'll work. Though I don't need that much space, so let's unlock me. Well, I guess I don't need to be bigger. I don't want the screen to be bigger. I guess I can be a little bigger. Now you can see me even better. Let's make the text bigger, huh? Take up the whole phone. Oh god, too much phone. Let's see what that looks like. No, it's too big. How are you looking now? There's a lag on the feed, so I have to wait. Okay, I think that's good. All right. Well, for those of you who do not know, it is I, Scott B. Adrian. I am... whatever. I'm a lot of things. But mostly a WordPress programmer, author, the sci-fi author, Orbem's book 1. And guess what? Yesterday, I worked until 3 a.m. and I finished book 2. Myropelia is uploaded to Amazon and ready to go. And 5 days, it'll go out to the masses. And I'll even publish the hardcover as well, which will be great. So if you're inclined, make sure you read book 1 first, and then book 2 comes out in 5 days. And it's ready to go. Paperback's going to come out probably in the same day. It takes a second or two for it to go live. But yeah. It should be a nice little follow-up. And then there's 2 more books in the series. And we'll see what happens, you know, once I have the series finished. But we're here for this. The game based off of the series. So, yeah, I don't even know where I left off. I think... what did I do? We got the leveling system working. I think I was fixing a bug or something. 'Cause this was a couple days ago. Wait, what is this? No, you close. Get out of there. It'd be nice if I could put like a black background. I don't need you. Let's see if we can just put black background. Image. You. Open image. Yes. You. Perfect. That should be... There we go. Solving problems. Nice. Okay. And that's just for the YouTube live shorts feed. I don't remember what I was doing. TBH. I think I'm here. No, I was just kind of stealing my own code earlier. Where was I? Magic? I don't think so. Was I in... So in JavaScript, what was I doing? Somebody remind me what the hell I was doing 2 days ago. Unlock level. Yeah, we got that. Oh, I think I was just trying to get magic to unlock with levels. So what's the big fucking deal, bitch? I don't actually know. Could I not get it to work or what? Oh, it looks like I got it to work. Look, I got 2 different spells. Well, let's restart and see if I did actually get it working. I might have. I tend to forget at the end of the day. Okay. So, level 2 gives you... Well, let's actually take a look. Let's look at my magic. So I added some fields where you can put an unlock level. So this takes level... XP, so... It's going to be 300 XP for Tarka, and Brazier is going to be, I think, 700 if I remember, yeah. So let's see if it works. I think the problem I was running into is that it was unlocking the spell multiple times, so I think I fixed that though. So, boop. Oh, I think I fixed everything. But what I need to do is get it to show up client side. Yeah, I don't need to look at you anymore, dude. I think I fixed you. Oh, wait, was I trying to fix that? Maybe. Did I get that working? Oh, I think I was going to test it. Did I push? Yeah, I did. Let's check it out. Let's see if I fix that. This is the walking issue we were running into. where the CEO was walking through the wall because the interval time wasn't dynamic based off of the distance. So let's see what we got. Alright. Doopa-doopa-doo, doopa-doopa-doopa-doo. Alright, so what's supposed to happen is he should walk a certain distance and then move over. But I think actually what I was running into... Oh shit, I can transport during cutscenes. I gotta fix that. Yeah. Oh shit. Damn it, I ruined it. Yeah, the problem is that's taking too long. There's something wrong with the math, apparently. I really do want to fix this, though. It's just going to make the game move so much more fluidly. Doop-dop. Okay. I'm going to follow you, bitch. Where are you going? Yeah, it's just taking too long. At least he does have enough time to get there, but it's just way too long. So what's wrong with my math? Let's see. NPC. Move NPC. And it's inside this. There's regulate transition speed. It needs to return the amount of loops in order to move to the next step. I'm happy it's moving to the next step properly. But what I'm not happy about is... Seems like it's giving too much. And that might be because I'm using seal, it's rounding up. I wonder if I switch to floor, if it wouldn't be enough. I mean, I definitely want it to be, you know, I'd rather have it. He have more time to get to his destination than less time, but... I wonder. The problem is at the milliseconds. I mean, this should be right. The transition time between two spots is in milliseconds. So that is the time it takes from it to get from point A to point B in milliseconds. So if I'm looping 500 milliseconds at a time, I need to know how many times I need to loop in that transition period. So it should just be dividing. Problem is, I think the local version is going too fast. So if I check again, I think that's why I was canceling out this. So path trigger. It's been 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. And it's telling me that the first transition speed is 316 milliseconds, which gives me no, the division is it's 316. Wait, what is that? What am I canceling? This. So this is the distance. So I was taking the distance. Oh, not times the multiple. Oh, that's... Why am I doing that? Oh no, I am doing that. Why am I looking at the diff dist though? I should be looking at the transition dist. That's what I should care about. Okay. Oh shit, I don't have this open over here. Sorry if you're talking to me on YouTube. No. Okay, good. Wait, what? There we go. Okay, good. No one is trying to talk to me. Well, on YouTube, I have 99 subscribers. So close. Once I hit that 100, I don't know. I want to do something special. I don't know what yet. I want to do like a giveaway or something. I've got, you know, I've got all the Orbem order merch, Orbem related merch. And yeah, I'd like to do some sort of giveaway contest. I don't know what the contest is going to be, but I mean, it's only 100 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of them, but not a lot of people. But still, it'd be fun. I think it's just a fun little accomplishment. So let's see what it looks like when it is using the correct thing. Because I actually don't know why. I mean, it's times 5, so let's see what we got here. So if I starts at 1581, it goes to 1500 and then 500. So 1581 divided by, okay, 3, yeah, 3 times. If I'm using floor CL2, it's still 3 times. 3. The math is right, especially if it's 3 for both. It's just weird that it's like a perfect number on the second 2, but the first one's so off. Is that correct? I think that's why I was looking at Forno, actually. Let me get exact math so I know what to expect. That would probably help. If I go to Forno, let's go to... So his starting position, let's make an exact number. It's 2200. Okay? And I think what I want to do is just keep moving him down. And that'll be easier for me to tell what's going on. So 2200, we'll move to... We'll move him 300. So left is 2373. Let's keep 2373. Okay. Wait. Okay, that's just, yeah, 2373, 2373. Okay. So 22, let's move him 300. So that'd be 2500. And then 2373, we don't want to move the left. It's just the up. We're going to move him another increments of, so let's do another 300 pixels, and then 2373, and then we'll move him, I don't know, 500 pixels, 2800. Okay. That should give us a better math to tell that it's working. So what should happen is he moves first 300 pixels. 300 times 5, 1500. So that should be 3 times, which is what it is currently. And then the second one should be... Wait, what? Oh, I'm going the wrong way. The second one should be 2700, which should be 200 times 5 is 1000, and that should be 2. And then that times 5, that should be 1. Okay, I like that. Yeah, this should be good. So it should be 3, 2, 1. Easy. Let's remember that. Okay. So let's leave, continue, and we are going to see him now. 3, 2, 1. Okay. The math is perfect. It's working perfectly, math-wise. 3, 2, 1. It loops 4 times. It loops 3 times, 2 times. Okay. Now my only thing is it starting at 0? Is that what's screwing it up? Is that giving it too much time because it's adding an extra one instead of it being math? I think so. So let's actually go... Oh shit. Where is this going to? Is it... NPC. Okay, so wait, where am I consoling? Here we go. Loop count, loop amount. So the problem I'm having is that it's starting at 0. So what I should do is... Should I start this at 1? Or is that going to screw things up? I don't want to touch that. I want to touch this. So let's actually do loop amount -1. That way it'll count for the extra 1. Okay. And that should be all I need to do. And let's just put this just to see what I'm seeing there. Okay. Let's check it out. Yeah, because we're not accounting for the right index, and that might be the issue. So now it should be 3, 2, 1. It shouldn't be 4, 3, 2. Alright. Yeah, so 3, 2, 1. Great. Alright, let's push this up and see if he moves better. More. I can't think of the word. If he moves accurately. That's not the word I wanted. Me don't word well. You know, the word I'm trying to think of is when you expect something a certain way. So if he moves more expectantly, that's pretty close to what I was trying to say. Expectantly. Alright, let's push this to stage. Let's check it out. We're on WordPress 6.5. That's the newest one. Good, good, good. And let's see here. Okay, cool. So let's leave the game. And we'll restart. By the way, this is my stage site. It's obviously slower than my local. I also haven't done very many performance upgrades yet, like on my queries and my loops and stuff. I mean, his walking is on a 20 millisecond interval, so that's constantly looking at him every 20 milliseconds. Okay, did I fix it? 10. I actually don't remember what it was before, so no, it seems like he's still moving pretty slow. Okay. That's kind of weird, isn't it? it did 0. Oh my god. I have like 3 different musics going on. Goop. There we go. Is the music too loud? Am I speaking into the mic? Where am I? Thought I... Yeah, no. I think we're good. I don't know why. It just seems like the music is louder than normal. And I have people complaining about the background music, so... I definitely don't want to alienate anybody. Yeah, so it's going 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it does start back at 0. It seems like it's 10 both times. Let's actually check. I don't think that's right. I don't remember what his distance was, but I don't think it's... should be 10 and 10. So his walking path is 610. 610 times, what do I have him at, 5? Yeah, 5. That's about 3,000. Okay, 10. No, that wouldn't be 10. 610 times 5 is 3,050. Rounded up. Oh, divided by 500 would be 6 point something. So that'd be 7. Where's it getting 10 from? Oh shit, I'm going between the second two. Well, yeah, so the second two should not be 10. It should be 7 at best. And as far as this is concerned, 28, 43. Yeah, that should definitely be 10. Because that's, you know, 1,030 times 5 is 5,000. Yeah, so that's 10. But the second one should not be 10. So something's wrong there. It's like duplicating. Well, I know it's working locally, so let's see now that the code is probably deployed. Probably. Let's restart. Okay. Nope. Can I get him from over here? I can. 8. Okay, well, that's better. It's rounding down. An 8. See, that's wrong. It's just duplicating. I wonder why. Because look, the distance it's saying is exactly the same for both of them. That's not right. It's not 4,500 for both. Yeah, that's not right. Why is it doing that? Why is it duplicating? Because it's between here and here is not that far. It's 610. Right? Am I? Yeah, 610. Let's just triple check. Time is 5. Yeah, see, it's 3,550, like I said. But here it's saying it's 4,500, which is the same. Where's this coming from? That means I'm passing the wrong distance in? Why is it working locally then? Okay, I don't need these. I know that it's working. What I do need... I do need to know why this isn't changing. Path array, next position, position equals path count. Path count is path array minus 1. Using 500. Yeah, it's almost like, even though it's looping, that that path array position and path array next position aren't changing. And I'm wondering why that is. Let's see. Let's double check the HTML on his path array. Because if the numbers are all screwed up, that would, that'd be understandable. Alright, here we go. So where's Salverson? This is him. No, it looks good. So it's going up from its current position. And then it's staying at the same top position and it's going right. And why is it showing the same amount? That doesn't make sense. I'm stumped. Well, let's see it one more time. Just for good measure. I actually didn't get to see if he moved quicker, so... Let's see if he gets there quicker. I still think he's... Well, it is too long. Well, the first one's too long. So the first one is still too long. It's saying 45. That means that's coming by 9. Which is true. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So that is correct. If the distance was correct. But 4550, is that even the right distance? He's staying the same left, so it's all top. So that would be, just so I don't screw it up, 2843 minus 1816 times 5. Huh. Weird. It's actually more distant than my math is saying. Is the math wrong in the hypotenuse? That's weird. And divide this by 500 equals 10. So 10 was actually right. Why did it change? Why did it change to 9? What the fuck is it getting that distance? What did I do? What did I do to the distance? Hold on. I think I just need to really see what this is again. Because I'm getting this. But that's the distance times 5 at a radix 10. Why am I doing that? Radix 10. What was the point of that? I mean, this would this would never, I mean, it's multiplication. This would never give me a decimal. So why am I doing radix 10? Maybe that's screwing with the number? What if we just do this? And let's see what we get. Why not? I think we know the distance here. So from 22 to 25 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So yeah, so this is correct. I don't know why it's correct here, but not up on stage. But let's double check here. 1500, 1500, 1500, 1000, 1000, 500. So it's still coming up with the right numbers. I mean, there must just be something. My thing is, the more I look at this math hypot, if B is greater than A, which can happen sometimes, is it accounting for that in the math? I actually don't know. Like a negative number? Alright, well, let's push this up. I want to see what this ends up being. I mean, we might as well. I mean, I could just divide by 5, so I know that. Maybe we should check out these positions I'm passing. Just to make sure I'm passing them correctly. Pass these. And then that should give me a better idea of what's going on. So that's just weird. Why it's doing what it's doing. And now we'll push. Happy Thursday, everybody. Ugh. Yeah, I also turned the book 2 in for the audiobook narrating. So that should be getting started soon, and hopefully that gets done by the end of July. Weed and Sun.
Weed and Sun's just followed.
Hell yeah. Weed and Sun in the house. Yeah. How's it going? What brings you to my humble WordPress video game? Okay. Let's see if that pushed up. Yeah, and I'm using the same narrator as I did for book 1. So it's going to be great. I'm excited to hear him read book 2. You know, I've been working on it for a little while now, and it's just really interesting to hear the voices that I hear in my head from like somebody else who can do accents and stuff. Okay, go. Okay, we have numbers. I'm getting the same crappy numbers, so at least we can tell why now. I mean, it really makes no sense why he's moving like that. So, okay. So I'm passing 33, 18, 16. Correct. Right? Because that is his next... Wait, wrong. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Am I passing the wrong distance? Because this is his final distance. This is the correct distance. Oh, shit. Well, that would explain it. It's just, why is it only doing this for the stage site? Why isn't that happening on the... Oh no, look. See? I'm passing it properly here. Bop to bop. Bop to bop. What? I'm so confused. So the two distances, dot to dot. That's top, that's left. So the left distance. So this is correct for the second one. But for the first one, I'm moving. So 2390, 1816. 2390, 1816. Yeah, where's 2843? That should be getting passed first, so I know how fast to move him. It's not anywhere in here. Well, why the hell isn't that happening here? Well, let's check. Let's do the same thing here and see what happens. Maybe it's just my consoles are wrong. So 2373, 2373, which 2373, 2200. Am I passing 2200? No, see, I'm not doing it here either. I'm passing the second one first. Why is that happening? 25 to 28. 25 to 28. We're doing that 3 times. 25 to 28. And then we're doing 27 to 25. Which... Oops. 25 to 20. See, I'm going backwards. No, I'm not. I'm not even going backwards. I'm skipping. It's showing like the first and the second and the last. Is that why? It's showing the first and the last first instead of the first until, oh my god. This is a cluster. Okay, so I'm obviously passing the wrong shit here. Why am I doing that is the question. Okay, so here's the logic. The logic is I'm getting the NPC's path and shit. Wait a second. I'm not passing his current position at all. That's why. Oh, shoot. The first thing I should be passing is his current position. Because I need to know the distance between his current position and the first walking path. For at least regulate speed. I mean, I don't need that for this. Okay. Do I have a function? Oh yeah, first run. Let's do this. This might fix everything. First run. If first run equals true, so true equals first run. Then what I need to do is change what the fuck this is. I need to change path array position. Shit. This is gonna mess everything up. Because I really need next position to be position the first time. But it's gonna throw it all off. So I'm gonna have to like -1 every time. Ugh. Alright, let's try this. Okay, but yeah, I have to put this inside this first run. False. No. First run. Oh, this is getting confusing. Okay. On first run. Now I'm thinking I just need to add to the array. Maybe the path array position left. Shit. Or maybe I'll create its own. Because I can do this. Const transition path array equals path array, right? And then I can adjust it and add something to it. Transition array. I need to like shift all the keys one over to make room. Oh well, maybe I can do, was it push? Does push add at the beginning or is it pop? Hold on. I need to figure that out real quick. Add to beginning of an array JavaScript. Hey, look already. Unshift. So array unshift 4 and 5. So 4. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's array unshift. But I need to include a key value pair. Oh, maybe I'll just put the number. Yeah, that should be fine. So unshift. So on here we will add the current. Okay, but yeah, actually needs to be like this. Top equals I need the npc.style.top. Replace. Get rid of the pixel. Right. And then left equals why am I doing npm? I'm so used to writing npm. Alright, npc style dot left. Replace pixel. Okay. So that will add for this. The first thing will be the position. Yeah, and then I added this break, I think. Where is it? I thought I added like a break. Because once you get to the end, next position can't be. Alright, let's give this a shot. This should make it so the first thing is correct. At least what, you know, what I'm passing. The first thing I pass should be correct. Yeah. Or they could just blow everything up. We shall see. Alright, here we go. Let's see what this does. Okay. So it's still going the right amount of times, but let's see, 2373, 2700, 2373, 2200. That is wrong. Right? Oh, 2200, yeah. And then the first thing is 2500. See, it's still passing the wrong one next. Got it. It's skipping. Well, why is B? I guess I feel like I'm passing the wrong one. Like, next position is showing up as the... Oh, because it's... I'm making this weird loop. Oh shit, what am I doing? I didn't even change this array. Here we go. I'm so dumb. Though that did show me an issue. Because the way that I handle the walking paths is I go backwards, like next position is actually the first position. Which in this case the first position is... Why did it... Yeah. Okay. So in essence I need to get rid of this next position logic. I need to create our own logic. So it's like transition position equals 0. Like that's the first position. Or const. Right? Like transition position. I'm trying to find the distance between position 1 and the next position. So technically position 1 is going to be that, and next will be 2, yeah. And then let's do let transition next position. So my logic worked fine for when I was doing the walking order, especially because I had like repeat to deal with, but in this case, oops, transition position, transition position, transition next position, ooh, transition next position, right? Right. Transition next position. All right. And now what I want to do maybe I should just do the same thing I'm doing here, where next position is position plus 1. Maybe. It's gonna loop. And I need to do transition, position plus as well. And yeah, I mean, I gotta do the same thing. So we'll start it at 1 though. And then we'll just do this equals position. So if 1 equals whatever, if 1 doesn't equal transition next position. Am I going to run into the same issue though when I start repeating? I guess not. I mean, I guess we'll find out. Okay, so transition position, then we'll do position plus 1. Otherwise 1. Right? No. That's not what I want to do. If transition position... Oh yeah, I should do the same thing. Transition position plus 1. So yeah, if transition position equals path count, then that means it needs to start over. Equals path count. It's the same thing. No. It's if that's transition position, next position equals. Then it needs to be 1. Okay. If transition next position equals path count. No. It's if yeah, that's right. That then equals 1, otherwise that. Okay. Yeah, same thing. Okay, let's see what we get now. This should work. Basically just shifting it back 1. Or forward 1, to be honest. Okay. Let's see what kind of numbers we get now. Okay. So we're getting 22, 25. Perfect. 22, 25. 22, 25. And 22, 25. 22, 25, 22, 25. Oh god. 22, 5. 22.5. Why did it do that twice? Well, that's not right. Why is it doing both? Am I already accounting for their position in the path array? I don't think I am. What's their walking path? Shit, maybe I am. So 25, 27, 28. Yeah, those are just 3 paths. So why would it do 22 twice? Just position Y, A, which is correct. But how come it's doing 1, 2, 3, and then it should skip, but it's not. It's doing 1, 2, 3 again, and then it skips. So why is this getting passed twice? Because we're starting at 0. Doop, 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 doop. Going through the loop. It's the first run. So we're going all the way through. Bop, 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 bop. Path count equals position. Position equals 0. Let's go forward. Oh, yeah. Wait, isn't position supposed to restart at -1 or whatever? Oh wait, that's if it's false. If it's true. Oh. Interesting. Wait, when the hell does position... Uh-oh. What did I screw up here? This is highly complex. Okay. So... Huh. Yeah. I just noticed that my mic is very low. And I don't know why. Like, it's much lower than it was in previous nights. Not sure why. Huh. So that probably means that I've been very quiet. So if we go to 0, that should be a little better now. Well, good. Only an hour in. You can probably barely hear me. That's annoying. Why was it so much louder before? Is there something wrong with the cable? Hello, hello, hello. I don't know. Maybe if I'm talking directly... No, it's the same thing. That's really weird. Yeah, before I was clipping. Now I can't even clip. Even if I'm talking loud. Streaming problems. Okay. So, let's just walk through this logically. We have the path. Okay? Parsing the path, we have the path array. We are taking the path count, which is the length -1. So we know how many times you need to transition. We get the position is the path count. Okay, that's what I'm starting with. I'm starting with the end for position. And the next position I'm starting at 0. And that's because I need to like go from one to the next, one to the next. And I'm starting to think I'm doing that because I'm not counting the position I currently am in. Sorry, I'm hearing like a dog walking around and I thought he was in here. Okay. God, I feel like I just should rewrite this. Damn it. Okay. We can make this logical. Position should be 0. And position I'm going to should be next position. Right, because I'm starting at my starting position, which is not moving. So I think I think if I did this whole unshift shit that I'm doing, I think this would actually solve this whole illogical making position the path count and stuff. Because if I do position is 0, right? We know how many times he's going to move. And I add to the path array the current position of the NPC. Like this. Oop. I do that. So now the beginning is his current position. Then all I need to do, like, I need to check that the path isn't, yeah, okay, this is just making sure it exists and that there's no, like, just one spot. Because if it is just one spot, I want to just go there directly. Right? Right. With its current speed. Okay. Cool. So, next position should be 1. Okay. And then loop count starts at 0. First run's true, whatever. We are getting rid of all this. I shouldn't have to do this anymore. And now, if next position, so if position equals path count, which is the end, the next position should be 1. Right, no. Should be 0. That was right, actually. Otherwise, it's position plus 1. Because, yeah, it should be 0. Because if position gets to the end, then the next position should be 0. That's correct. This is wrong. And then loop amount should actually just be passing the normal shit now. Path array, position, path array, just undoing everything I just did. Position. Oop. And next position. Path array. Come on. Annoying. Next position. Okay. And then we got the NPC in the walk. Okay. This is the loop amount. So many times the loop. Based off of the correct numbers. And now let's double check this. So loop amount -1. Okay. So many times to loop, starting at 0. Yeah, or or if it's the first run. So if path count is greater than or equal to the next position, then use the next position? What's the point of this? I don't know the point of my own logic. If loop amount is hit, transition to the next walking path. So if it's the end, if path count... Oh, no. If path count is greater than the next position, then boom. Okay, so I should switch this to position now. I don't need this to be next position. Then do position. Yeah, I should be using position. No, I should be using next position. Yeah, that's correct. Because I'm moving to the next position. The first position you don't move to. So that's correct. And if it's not the first run, then we just check. Is this greater than next position? If it is, then check apparently if position equals path count, which would mean that next position needs to equal 0. Which it should already. Why am I doing that twice? Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this. Oh, it's just saying iterate on position unless it's already. Okay. Got it. Yeah, this is the iteration. So this is correct. So if they're the same, then the next thing is going to be 0. Not, yeah. We can get rid of this. Alright, so if that's not true... Oh wait, I should do position, not next position. No. Repeat path is true. Position equals 0. So I'm resetting it to 0. This I'm getting a little confused on. If path count is greater than position, that means I could keep going. But I put else if path count is greater than next position, keep going. Because once the next position hits the end, if we iterate again, yeah, it needs to be next position. That seems right. So if that is greater than next position, then we're good to move forward. And if it's not, then we check if it needs to repeat, and then we'll set position back to true. I mean, back to 0. Now, see, this should be next position, which doesn't help me. So yeah, it needs to be position actually. So as long as position, this is greater than position, because that's the one that's being iterated on, then we're good. Otherwise position needs to go back to 0. This is the one I'm not quite sure on anymore. Let's just do this. I think this is correct. As long as path count is greater than the the position, then position can iterate. Otherwise, if they are true, then check if it repeats and goes to 0. Otherwise, it just dies, which is fine. So, yeah. Okay. I think that's better. Alright, I mean, this should work. So if, what is this if statement? Path array like this, otherwise go straight there. Position. No, this should be next position. Because I changed position. Okay. Alright, let's give this a shot. I changed a lot. Some things I didn't change, and I think that's why some things were broken. So let's see what this does. Wait. Next position is not available. I should put this up higher. Should put all this higher. There we go. Alright. Let's see if my local's working now, or if I just destroyed everything I've built. Here we go. How many console errors will we get? Alright, well, position array left. Obviously doesn't exist. Why? So path array should have a 0. And position should equal 0. So what up with that? Let's see what the path array is looking like these days. Path array before, yeah, let's see what it looks like here. Because if it starts at 1, I'm gonna freak out. Four. Wait, what? Path array equals 4? What did I do? Unshift. What? Okay. What did I do? Oh, that's not how unshift works. I always forget that. Okay, this should be good now. It gives you like the position or something. I don't know. I forget what it does. Okay, here we go. Restart. Okay, he's repeating, unfortunately. Oh, he's not repeating. He's going back to the first position now. That was the problem I was having before. But let's see what we got here. So we have correct, 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 correct. Wait, not correct. Yes, correct, correct, correct. And then we have correct, correct, correct. Oh wait, correct. Oh, it's only 1. 1. And then 3,000 to get back to the first position. Alright, it's looking pretty good. The only problem now is that it's stopping at 0. Instead of, so I need to stop it before 0. So what am I doing? Is it because of equals? Path count is greater than or equal to next position. Maybe it is position, and I'm tripping. And go the next position. Maybe position. No, because the next position is going to equal 0. So it's just this. I don't know. Let's try this. Why do I care about first run, by the way? I don't know. I don't remember. Well, let's see what we got now. Boop, 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 doop, doop, doop. Well, it kept going, but he stopped moving. So that's good. But why'd it keep going all the way? Why did you keep intervaling? Though this worked. Unless it was repeat. Why did you keep going? So let's get rid of this first run thing. So I can understand what's going on a little bit better. So I'm not 100% sure why I do that. Okay, let's not get rid of it, but because I know what's happening. So I'm looping through the interval every 500 seconds. I have a loop amount, which is how many times to loop based off of the number, and a loop count, which is how much I currently am at. But what I don't know is, why is it going back? Because this is definitely fine. Why is it still looping after it's done? Wait, what? Oh. Because what should be happening is it should be clearing this interval. It's obviously not. It's looking at repeat path as true, maybe? No, it's not. But it's definitely maybe making position plus plus. If path count is greater than position, keep going more. Otherwise, if they equal the same, don't. But why would it keep looping? Why is it still looping? What makes it loop? This makes it stop. Man. So this stops the walking interval, but it's stopping one time too late. Meaning the else needs to happen one time quicker. Meaning this has to be next position. That's the only thing I can think of. Let's check it out. And then let's make sure repeat still works. 1, 2, 3. 1. Alright, well, it stopped. 1. I really want to see his walking path, so let's do that again. It's just interesting because when it's really close together, it goes really fast. It's going bop, bop, bop. Which it's closer, so it's quicker. But to translate, the translation speed, it should be... Yeah, I mean normally the closer you are, the slower you are with the same transition speed. That's why I'm making it smaller. But I feel like I might be making it too small, too quickly. So maybe rounding up is the right route to go. Let's see if we can do that. So maybe seal was the right way to go. But on stage, it seems like it was going too slow, so I don't know. Let's see what we got. There's got to be a happy medium. I mean, maybe I switched to 20, 250 instead of 500. Maybe that'll give me a more accurate speed. It's just because it seems like the second one ends too quickly. This 1000. I need to check what the... Yeah, because the interval couldn't have ran twice. Let's see what's going on here. I actually want to see how quickly it's moving. Or looping. So let's do a console time. And see how quick it's looping. Console.time. Okay. So we'll see how quick this is now. Oop. What? Default already exists. The hell's that mean? Console.time log, maybe? What was it again? It was time log. Maybe that's it. Nope. Nope. Okay. Let's try it again. What the hell? Hey, okay. How do I use a console.time log? Time log. What does it do? It returns none. Nothing. What does it do? Okay. It says default already exists. Oh, maybe I need to just add something. Loop time. Like, really? You actually need that? It's kind of annoying. Okay. Try again. Nope. What the fuck? Loop time does not exist. What do you mean? I just... Obviously, time log is not working for me. Alright, whatever. Let's do console.logs.time. Date. Dot. Now. Something like that. Or can I do dot timestamp? Time. God damn it. Alright. Let's just do console. Dot. Hey. And I'll just eyeball it. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Okay. So hey. 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 I mean, I guess that's 500 milliseconds. Is that really a second though? Because I think my problem is that I'm ending the walking path too early. Okay, this would actually be better. Let's get his current NPC left position. No, that doesn't work. We know that doesn't work. Shit. How am I gonna get this right? Okay. I'll actually, like, determine exactly where he's supposed to be. So, in his thing, we'll do the second one, 2700. 2700 is... right here. Ooh, that is really quick. I guess that makes sense, actually. That's very quick. Okay. Maybe that's my problem. He just is quick. Okay, fine. I think I got it. Let's make sure that repeat works, though. 'Cause that is a concern of mine that I broke that. So you should be going dap, 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 boop, dap, 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 boop. One, two. Go back. 1, 2. Well, that's definitely not right. What is he looping? Yeah, he's just doing his 3 positions. He's not going back to 0, which was 22. Is that what I wanted? No, no. I want him to loop. Oh. No, yeah. I don't know. Maybe I did just want him to walk his path. $25, 27, 25, 27, 25. Let's see what I do for Salverson in the office, because he's pacing back and forth. If I only put 1, then I wanted him to repeat with his starting position. Okay, see, that's what I did. I actually gave it 2, and I'm repeating between the 2. So I restarted him at his starting position. Okay, I'll leave it like this then. Repeat is working though. So let's try this. Let's see if he's moving correctly now when I push this up. I think I got it down. The loop time. I just think it's kind of quick. Which isn't the worst thing in the world. Especially considering how slow he was. Alright, let's push you up. Man. Slow day on stream, huh? Nobody's came in to say hi. I'm so lonely. That's alright, I guess. We'll get there. You know, one day when I have a buttload of followers and subscribers and stuff, everybody will jump on. I'm surprised how much interaction I'm not getting on the YouTube Shorts feed. Because my shorts get a lot of interactions, so I assumed that I would get some, you know, sort of interaction on people just hopping in and out of this feed. But oh, I guess they're showing it to people that don't give a shit, or I don't know. Alright. Let's get this to work. I think we got this. First try. Okay, here we go. Will he walk correctly? Or am I going through the same stupid shit for some fucking reason? I mean, it literally looked exactly the same. Though, is that the right console login I was getting? Yes, it is. It's just, why is it working locally? Why is it working locally and not... I just don't get it. Value, maybe? No, I don't think it has value for him. I mean, I don't even know what I would be using value for. I have it, but that was to like give points for running into him. Why is he not working? It's going 400. Left. Wait, what? Left. 2300. Oh, I'm in the office. Idiot. I should check that he's working fine. Actually, let's do that real quick. Let's make sure the repeat's working. Should be fine. Slow. It's nice. It's a nice pace. I feel like he was faster before though. Seems like it's the same distance back and forth. Okay. Well, let's restart now. I just feel like it's an issue with the configuration, because like I said, it works completely fine locally. Like he's moving fast. But for some reason here, the distance is duplicating between 1 and 2, which is not correct. Oh, it changed. Distance. Good. Okay, well, that's progress. So it went 5 through, so this should be 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It ran 11 times. Didn't I fix that by doing -1? Huh. Why is loop amount coming out as 12? Wait, what was the number I was passing? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, distance. The dist times 5. I'm just dividing it by 500. Which should be 10. Oh, seal 11. Which is 10. No, 11 with 0 is 12, minus 1 is 11. Okay. No. No, so yeah, the math doesn't make sense. That divided by 500 is 5.1. Oh no, it was 10 point something. It's going to 11. And then when I get back here, I'm going 11 minus 1, so it should be 10. But for some reason it's going 11, meaning this must be 12. Burp, 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 burp. Alright, well. Either way, it's one too long. Let's see what it looks like again. Like in person. So walking. He's a little faster than me. He gets here. I wish he would just move. Oh, see, that doesn't make any sense. It had already switched to the new number, but he wasn't moving. What's with the pause? Hold on. Let me re-see that again. That didn't make any sense. So it's going do 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 do. See? It switched. He should be moving. What was that fucking pause? It worked perfectly. Okay, hold on. Something's wrong here. So the interval, so I don't have any consoles in here. Shit. Console move. And I'm wondering, is something wrong with loop count or something? Like, why is it making it wait so many more times? Or is loop amount coming out like crazy? Like, what the fuck? Even though it shouldn't. Alright, I gotta see what these numbers are. This makes no sense to me. Oh, who's up? Who's up? Grumble of Pugs in the house. What's up? I refuse to restart my device. Okay. Let's push this up. Yeah, I'm really interested to see the amount it's coming back with and how much, or like when it actually decides to move. Because that makes no sense. Oh. Okay, so that's good. Yeah. Because that's interesting. It seems like the loop is working perfectly. Because, this part, which is outside of this. So I'm interested in what loop amount's coming out to be. Because... see, it doesn't make any sense. The only way that position could change is if it got iterated. So that must mean that loop count Oh, is this getting set to 0 randomly? Did I fuck that up? Because if that got set to 0 when it shouldn't be, then it would restart the loop count. Let's see, why would that happen? So if, oh wait, no, it's this statement. This one. So if loop count is greater than or equal to the amount, then go. Because it's looping, boop, 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 hits, go. So the only thing I can think of it that it's hitting 0 when it shouldn't. Why would I reset it to 0? Oh, because position's changing. But what if position isn't changing? It's getting set to 0 again. Maybe loop count should only go to 0 if position's iterating, right? Then it has to start over. Right? I'm like trying to convince myself. Okay. I think this might be the problem. But let's make sure locally. I'm gonna push this just because I don't want to wait. Let's see if locally I broke anything by doing that. Alright. Okay, so locally, what's going on here? Okay. My session obviously ran out. Okay. It's walking. One, two, three. Why is he going so fast? Is he going fast? God, I just can't tell. I guess I made them too close together. Those damn things. Here we go. So it's going 2500, 27, 28. 27, 28. The transition rate? Bigger the number, slower it goes. Yes. I almost feel like it's off by 1. Because like it changes the number before the transition. Right? Yeah. It's like it's lagging behind. I wonder if that's how it is on the first go, though. Hold on. Here. So, does it do that the first time, too? 1500. It's so fast. I really need to just, like, make it super far so I can get some time. Or change his speed. Bigger the number, slower he goes. Smaller number, faster he goes. So if we did like times 15, this should give me more time to see him move, right? Okay. So go. So that. See, then it switches. And then it switches. Then it switches. Then it switches. Doesn't make any sense. And this is fast. Why is he moving so fast? I just went times 15. Yeah, they should be changing at the same time. That's the problem I'm having here. And that's why it's not being consistent. Okay. I think the problem is that loop amount is on the outside, so it's getting hit before this is getting hit. You know what I mean? I don't like that they're changing at different times. Because what's happening is, it's like, okay, cool. Boom, set transition speed, right? For this one set. And it's like, nope, not ready yet. Nope, not ready yet. Nope, not ready yet. Yes, ready. Okay. Because we hit the loop amount is ready to go. And the loop amount and it's waiting for loop count to get hit. And if loop count gets hit, yeah, I think the basic logic is off, because I'm giving myself how many times to loop. At the same time, I'm also setting the transition speed between the 2 points. So I got the loop amount, and it's looping at this time, every 500 milliseconds. I'm regulating the speed of the transition, and what's happening is, first run, boom, it sets the next path. Okay? And the next path has the correct transition speed. But then when it's time for the next path to happen, so position iterates by 1. When position iterates, it changes the transition speed first. But it doesn't change the position yet. Okay, so that's why they're not the same. And that's actually not a big deal. They shouldn't be the same. This gets set first, and then it loops. And then it gets set, and it loops. And then it gets set. But is that the problem? This shouldn't get reset before. Okay, that might be the problem. Because it's getting set to the next one while the first one's still going. That's the problem. So I need this regulate speed to not also be the loop amount function. I think that's the problem we're having. Shoot. I think this needs to happen at the same time. So I need to actually, I need to pull these out. So loop amount should not be doing this. what needs to happen here is get loop amount. Okay. Which is going to have the same shit. And then I need to do this. When this gets set, I need to do this at the same time. And loop amount, I'll have to pass the same. Actually, I think I only need this. Right? Okay. Get loop amount. Let's go to regulate. Let's get loop amount. Okay. And we'll get rid of this transition crap. Okay. So all it's going to do is return that. This is not going to return anything. And it'll just set that. Okay. And I don't need multiple. Oh, I do need multiple. I don't need the projectile though, do I? No. So I'll just send multiple. Let's go back to get loop amount. I do need to set multiple, which is walking speed. Cool. Okay. So let's see what happens now. As far as the transition's concerned. Because now it should be setting the transition and his speed at the same time. I mean his new position. Oh shit. Oh, he's definitely moving. Okay, they're changing at the same time. Nice. 1500's the most. Wait, what? Oh, so 2800 to 500 is the most. 500 of that is slower. 700 of that is slower. I mean, faster. This is what I'm talking about. This is good. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna push this up actually. This should be right. This is like the most annoying bug I've ever had to fix. I think I've literally spent 2 days on the stream fixing this shit. Well, let's at least see what the, I don't know, the crap I was doing before this did. Doop da 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 boop. Move. Move. See, it's so weird. It's so weird that it's supposed to move. It's, look, see, I'm doing the same thing twice. It moved him to the same position twice. The first one was 11, the second one was 10. And then it moved him. That's weird. Wait, did I do that? I didn't do that on purpose. Hold up. No, he only has 2. Bob? Bob. No repeat. So yeah, there should be no reason that he's moving to the same position twice. Which is top 1816, right? 1816, 1816. 1816. 1816. From 28 to 1816. 28 to 1816. Yeah. That's weird. It's weird that it's looping like that. Okay, this should be fixed now, is my guess. Continue. Let us see. Pop, 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 pop. Alright. Moving 11. Stop. It's still doing it. It's moving him to the same thing twice. Oh, let's double check if the code pushed by looking at him. Because the transition, I mean, the transition speeds look pretty good. I guess that wasn't really the main concern. It's the fact that he's moving to the same spot twice. But let's see. So it moved. Good. 5135. Nothing changes. And then left 1300. Okay. That worked great. Now we only need to figure out why the fuck is he moving to the first position twice? I just don't get that, because it's not doing that locally. That just means what? That means that the position is 0 twice? I mean, we need to see what the hell's going on, because it's moving again. Okay, so that means that the move isn't changing the position, because false is first does not equal first run. So first run goes, lets it through, changes their position. Cool. Hits the move. Then it goes through here. It's not true. Loops through. Boop-a-doop. And now this is wrong, you know, because loop count is 0. No, it's not. Loop count. First run. Bob. Cool. Changes it to false. It's iterating the loop count. And now it's going through. Boop. First run is false. Boop, 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 boop. It gets to its destination. First run is false. Path count is greater than next position. Well, what's wrong? What's next position? It's gotta be this. This is the only way. If this was false. No, because then this would have to be true. Otherwise it stops altogether. It's acting as if there's two. Is my unshift happening twice or something? Am I running move NPC twice? Alright, we need to look at the path array. This doesn't make any sense. There should be 3. What else might be wrong? Let's see. It's just gotta be the path array. But we do have it working. It's good. At least the transition portion. And if we go to the CEO's office for here, then we'll see that he should be repeating back and forth really smoothly. Well, what the fuck? Wait, where's he going? 2700, 2300. What is going on? No, I need Salverson. That's fine. I need his CO office one. Why is he moving all weird now? No, that's right, 27, 23. It just seems like the transition speed or the interval is wrong. Nope. Oh, and look, speed is 9. That should be super high. But for some reason the interval is acting like it's 1. So it's going move and then move. Why? It's starting at 8. It looks like the loop amount. No. Why is it doing that? This is the most frustrating bug ever. It's just, it sucks because local is not doing the same shit that production is. Or is it? See, that's not right either. Like, he shouldn't be waiting like that. It should just be going straight into it. Alright. Yeah, it's about that time of the night. It's 1:40. I'm just... my brain's fried and I'm gonna be killing myself, even though it's probably an easy solution. Alright, to be continued. We will fix this bug tomorrow. I think we'll fix this bug tomorrow. I really want to get this NPC walking thing solved and fixed, because obviously I'm going to be using it a lot in cutscenes and interactions on the website or in the game. So hey, thanks everybody who's jumped on, even if you haven't been talking or anything, and or if you're watching in the future. I really appreciate you. I hope to see you next time. Make sure to subscribe or like all the videos or follow me on Twitch. Join the Discord. Anything just to be part of the community, because it's a lot more fun that way. So yeah, we'll get to WordPressing tomorrow and fix these bugs. So I will say good night, YouTube.